The calendar has turned to 2023, but equity investors are still grappling with some of 2022's big but familiar questions. Has the equity market seen a bottom? Will the economy fall into recession? What is the outlook for company earnings? Has the equity market seen a bottom? We think market bounces like the ones we saw in the last quarter of 2022 are still bear market rallies rather than the start of a new bull market trend, for now. That said, a lot of damage has already been done, and we believe current equity pricing represents a decent entry point for long-term investors. Will the economy fall into recession in 2023? We think a recession is likely. History suggests that inflation above 5% is a recipe for recession. And this time, the Fed had to raise interest rates a lot in a short period of time after a late start in trying to fight inflation. The good news, we think any recession could be relatively shallow in depth and short in duration, thanks in no small part to healthy consumer balance sheets. Importantly, our research shows the average recession post-World War II has lasted just 10 months, and equity returns in the years following recessions have historically been quite positive. What is the outlook for company earnings? The earnings outlook is more uncertain as the impact of rate hikes affect the economy and businesses with a lag. With more dispersion in earnings estimates by analysts, we think active stock pickers can apply their own research and analysis to identify companies that may be positioned to deliver above average earnings growth. The bottom line, we think investors with a long-term mindset have a decent entry point to start the year, even if stocks might still need to find a bottom. Selectivity is important, as is a focus on quality, balance, and resilience in equity portfolios.